Hello guys, welcome back to me. Before we watch the video like usually, don't forget like, subscribe and comment. Okay, here I will read the article from Peter Noors. Investing. Dollar HL lower in early European trade Tuesday, adopting something of a holding pattern ahead of the release of the key US consumer inflation data, which tracked the greenback against a basket of six other countries, trade 0.1% lower at 106.188, dropping Fortuner back from Friday peaks of 106.83, the strongest level since July 28. Friday strong July U.S. job report increased expectation that the U.S. Federal Reserve will continue its aggressive monetary tight with another hike of 75 basis points in September. Unequivocally strong U.S. July jobs reports recently on Friday has gone a little way to assuaging recession fear and given, citing to last week pushback from the Fed was nowhere near done in terms of tightening, said analysts in ING. In a note, this spring, Wednesday consumer price index firmly into focus with another large number likely to comment such an increase. The Philippine peso fell the most among its Asia of first on Tuesday after the country quarter GDP rose less than expected while most regional units moved little ahead of key US inflation data. As of 2380, the USD PHP fell 0.4% to 55,585 against the dollar. Government data showed that the Philippine economy expanded by 7.2% in the second quarter, below analysts' expectation of 8.6%, but the reading was still within the country's official growth target. But a lower than expected reading may see the Philippine Central Bank lower the magnitude of interest rate hikes this year as its strongest to combat runaway inflation. Data last week saw Philippine CPI inflation rose more than expected in July. A mix of heated inflation and rising interest rates are likely to weigh on economic growth in the Southeast Asian economy. Among other Asian Pacific currencies, China yuan, the Japanese yen, and the Australian dollar moved barely 0.1% in either direction against the greenback. The US dollar was muted on Tuesday, while dollar index future also moved little ahead of a key CPI reading. On Wednesday, analysts are expected an annual reading of 8.7%, down from the 9.1% rate seen in June, while the reading will likely indicate that US inflation has peaked. Consumer price will still be pinned to their highest level in 4 years, given that the Federal Reserve has signaled a data-driven approach to adjusting interest rates from the remainder of the year. The reading is likely to factor in their September meeting. Several Fed officials have signaled last week that more policy like tightening is required to combat red-hot US inflation. In Asia, investors will also be looking in Chinese CPI figure on Wednesday to gauge the full impact of recent COVID-19 lockdown in the economy. Consumer price inflation in the world, second largest economy, is expected to have risen slightly in July, while producer price inflation is set for a sharp decline. While the reading will likely indicate that US inflation has peaked, consumer price will still be pinned to their highest level in 40 years. Thank you, maybe that's all. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.